Sa tarot cards, ang pages ng bawat suit ay nagre-represent ng pinaka-innocent na face ng suit na to. Pinapakita nila yung light-hearted at child at heart na aspect ng bawat suit. So, physically, ang pages ay nagre-represent ng mga bata or childlike wonder. So, pagdating sa mga adults, ito ay nagpapakita ng isang moment kung saan na yung experiences nila ay para lang sa sarili nila, na walang pressure mula sa ibang tao. So, kaya childlike wonder or pagiging child at heart. Kasi for adults, the pages represent a space or a moment in their life where they get to be who they truly are, diba? Without the pressures of other people around them. So, parang yung inner child nila. So, who they really are when they were young, before the world tried to change them, bago sila maging jaded, so ganun. So, in the spirit of childlike wonder or bilang mga bata, ang pages sa tarot cards ay kadalasang simbolo ng beginnings. They also often represent learning or growth through the pursuit of knowledge or self-reflection. So the qualities of a young student na eager to learn more about all the experiences the world has to offer. So actually, ang wands mismo, yung suit of wands, ay kumakatawan ng pagsisimula or beginnings. So, because of that, yung page of wands ay particularly nagpapakita ng start of projects. Yung sinasabi niya is merong project or endeavor kang masisimulan. Or even more, parang merong coming announcement na ready na tayong magsimula. Parang beginning again ng new project, new endeavors. So, this can refer to a new relationship or more practical things. But essentially, kapag lumabas ang page of wands sa isang reading, it's referring to the start of a new chapter in our life. So, 'di ba, kung titingnan natin si Rider-Waite tsaka si The Field Tarot, makikita natin na yung page of wands, dito Princess of Wands, parehas silang nakatingin sa distance. Tapos merong parang mga bundok sa horizon. Tapos meron silang yearning papalayo, 'di ba? Kaya ito nakalagay exploration sa The Field Tarot. Parang they're standing at the beginning of a new journey. Ready na sila to explore and venture out and to find a new dream, a new adventure, to start a new story. Dito sa The Tattoo Tarot, kahit na wala yung kwento ni Rider-Waite tsaka ni The Field Tarot, makikita natin yung fire sign, yung element of fire ng suit of wands. So, andun yung determination talaga to begin anew. 'Di ba? Tell a new story. On a more straightforward level, si Page of Wands ay pwede ring maging messenger, mga mensahero ng information. So, on an emotional aspect, ang simpleng kasabikan ng page ay nangangahulugan ng isang tapat na kaibigan or kasintahan. So, parang pag nakita natin si Page of Wands sa isang reading tapos mas romantic or emotional yung context, pwedeng he's pertaining to a person in our life, a friend or a potential lover na very sincere or may true intentions para sa atin. So, faithful sila, loyal, ganon. Ngayon, in reverse, ang Page of Wands ay mas tahimik kesa sa Knight of Wands. Hindi agad maguguluhan or magugulat ang page sa mga problema, pero nagiging malituhin at indecisive siya. In reverse, ang pinapakita ng Page of Wands ay nagkakaroon ng fear of beginning. Kasi siguro na-distract siya or natatakot siya sa mga complications na potentially mag-arise. Kaya hindi niya fully masabi or makommit yung sarili niya to begin again. very important quality kasi ng Page of Wands yung pagiging eager niya and thoughtful. So kapag naging indecisive siya, nagiging unstable yung mindset niya. Naguguluhan siya tapos naliligaw yung efforts niya at saka yung isip niya nagwo-wander. So nagiging weak yung foundations ng belief niya sa sarili niya. So very simple and thoughtful kasi si Page. So kapag naguluhan siya sa situation tapos hindi siya naging faithful sa path na nilalakad niya, maliligaw siya or hindi niya alam kung saan siya pupunta. So, sa ganitong situation, ang nangyayari, natatakot siyang magpatuloy. Kaya, hirap siyang mag-try again or to start his journey. So, ang advice ng reverse Page of Wands ay kailangan mas maging careful tayo to be faithful sa endeavors natin. Hindi yung masyado tayong natatakot na magsimula ulit. Tapos, very important yung hindi tayo indecisive. Kasi syempre, kapag kaharap natin yung crossroads, tapos hindi tayo makapili kung saan tayo pupunta, talagang hindi natin masisimulan yung journey natin. Walang mangyayari kasi nakatayo lang tayo sa crossroads eh. So we have to make a decision. So sa isang reading, kapag nagpakita ang Page of Wands in reverse, tapos tinutukoy nito ang isang tao, ibig sabihin, yung tao na to, kailangan niyang maghanap ng clarity. Kailangan niyang lumayo sa chaos at gulo ng environment niya at maghanap ng stillness para maka-decide siya, para mapakinggan niya ano ba yung sinasabi ng inner child niya. Pero at the same time, listening or caring for our inner child doesn't mean na magiging childish tayo. So, kailangan kasi, yung advice din ni Page of Wands is we need to develop the maturity to deal with things. Kailangan, yun nga, hindi tayo indecisive. Kailangan thoughtful tayo, diba? Faithful tayo sa sarili natin. Tapos, we act on it. That's how we begin our journey and we avoid the fear of starting over. Kasi, ultimately, ang warning ni Page of Wands in reverse, pag pinagpatuloy lang natin yung pagiging indecisive natin, lalo lang tayong magsaspiral sa lack of trust and faith in ourselves. So, ayun nga, when you're standing in front of a crossroads, you have to be faithful to yourself and you need to be thoughtful. Tapos, you need to make a decision. Are you going right or are you going left? Because only then, mo masisimulan yung journey mo. Doon mo masisimulan yung project mo at eventually, you will write your own story. Ito ang ibig sabihin ng reversed Page of Wands. Hanggang sa muli, please like and subscribe para makita niyo mga videos namin tungkol sa pagbabasa ng tarot cards.